low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when the
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So today we have a great news regarding the new Galaxy high-end flagship. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new unboxing look before the official announcement. After a pleasant pinkish bronze and green colors, the great concept designer on his Twitter profile page again created new high-resolution concept renders with the tag Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra unboxing. These new 3D renders give us an idea how this Galaxy S23 Ultra new official unboxing renders will look like. The concept maker has amazingly shown each and every part of the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra look in his new concept design. Now we can say that the most futuristic design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone is in front of our eyes. Looks more realistic. We have already seen several renders of the next South Korean giant flagship that shows the different colors and front and back design. The only difference that we have seen between the recently published renders and the renders that were previously published is only the box of the smartphone. And that box gives us an amazing look at a whole new concept design. Today you can watch here the first unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra concept. Samsung will introduce its new Galaxy S23 smartphone lineup early next year, while the Twitter Tech Insider shared unofficial unboxing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra flagship model. The South Korean giant company will surely share an official hands-on video just after unveiling the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. This is too early, while we are months away from it. Meanwhile, it's great to see ahead, at least for imagination, that looks more realistic. According to the latest news, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be equipped with a new camera module due to the debut of the 200 megapixel image sensor. Whether it will be the ISOCELL HP1 or a yet unannounced sensor remains to be seen. The exact ISOCELL sensor has not yet been revealed in leaks. Samsung could use the first generation 200 megapixel HP1 sensor. Over the past few days, we have seen Samsung using a new Bora purple color option to introduce new variants of the already launched Galaxy S22 series devices. Aside from this recent Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 leak revealed the same color design option for the upcoming foldable clamshell. It is expected that Samsung will follow the same strategy with the Galaxy S23 series as well. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Xiaomi 12T Pro and Motorola Edge X30 Pro smartphones are rumored to be equipped with the most updated Super 200 megapixel camera sensor. As reported, the new Galaxy S23 line is expected to launch in February 2023. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope.